Let there be light. So goes the saying. And the thing about the printmaking teachers in a box is that they are enlightening, like a museum is enlightening. My plan, in the spirit of being a teacher, of elucidating what a printmaking teachers in a box is to convert all of my legacy into money and then design the prototypes for the ideal printmaking teachers in a box. And in the process, giving the owners of the artworks in the museum a title, and that title is called the non-fungible token. Today I'm going to try to show how I think of these tokens both as real things and as virtual things, all leading to the private virtual art museum.